in Osama City. You're watching One TV News Channel. One TV News Channel. Serving you with information, news, sports, and public affairs. One TV News Channel. One TV News Channel. Serving you with love. Ang telebisyong pangmasa. One TV News Channel. One TV News Channel. One TV special report.
Here we go. Maayong gabi, Osama City. How about clapping our hands as we celebrate, of course, the 77th charter anniversary sa atong pinalangga na syudad. Once again, maayong gabi, Osamistas! Ascenso Osamis, Ascenso Segundo Distrito, Ascenso Misamis Occidental, and Ascenso Pinoy. Welcome to this night of talent, passion, and the musical spirit of our beloved city of Osamis. Tonight, atong isaulog ang talento o tingog sa atong pag-asenso. And of course, ladies and gentlemen, may Ascenso greetings kaninyong tanan o kanunay natong ipasalamatan ng atong Ascenso leaders nga lubos-lubos ang pagserbisyo sa tanang katawhan, dili lang dinhi sa syudad sa Osamis, kundi sa tibuok probinsya sa Misamis Occidental. Una, of course, we are thanking our hardworking governor, Attorney Henry S. Waminal, itong pagpakan si Gov, because I know ang iyang gugma, suporta, kanunay naa sa tagsa-tagsa kanato. Also, we are acknowledging our 2nd District Representative, Honorable Sancho Fernando Ando Waminal. Another round of applause. Also, because kani sila ang kanunay nga nagmahal o kanunay nga lubos-lubos nga nagserbisyo kanato. And of course, we are thanking our representative of the Ascenso Pinoy, Honorable Attorney Henry Indy F. Waminal Jr. Ato pong pakpakan, formerly Mayor Indy, now we call Congressman Indy, and kauban sa pag-asenso are our Ascenso Osamis team, pinanguluhan sa ato ang Mayor Attorney Sam Norman Fuentes, kauban ang atong Vice Mayor Bebby Neri, o ang mga miyembro sa sangguniang panglungsod. And I will be acknowledging one by one because of course, sila ang kanunay nga naghunang-una sa kaayuhan sa tanan, dili lang tungod sa kapistahan sa charter anniversary sa atong syudad, kundi sa tibuok tuig. Sa tanang adlaw, of course, they are thinking tungod og alang sa atong kaayuhan. And we are acknowledging our city councilors, Honorable Sancho Waminal Jr. A big round of applause. Also, and of course, this city councilor is with us. Let's put our hands together for Honorable Dinky Suizo Jr. We continue acknowledging Honorable Catherine Lim. Honorable Juanito Sakin, who's with us also. Big round of applause. Honorable Attorney Marcelian Tabayan. Let's clap our hands for Honorable Archie Romero. Osamis City, we also always thank Honorable Cecil Go. Honorable Attorney Daniel Lau. Honorable Lorly Fuentes Cipres. Honorable Saulo Salvador. Ang Presidente or Vice President and ex-official City Councilor, ang Vice President sa ABC, Honorable June Carlo Moraleon. And another ex-official City Councilor is our Sangguniang Kabataan Federation President, the Honorable John Fel Duhay Lungsod. And we are also acknowledging the presence of our city administrator. Everyone, let's put our hands together for Miss Rodessa Grace Owano. Big round of applause. And to all of you, you are all welcome. The department heads and agency heads, I know you're here because our fellow public servants will not just show their dedication, commitment, and love sa pag-alagad sa katauhan, but tonight, they will showcase their talents for all of us. But right before we witness ang atuang 15 ka mga talented government or public servants, we will hear some warm words at this time. Gikan sa atuang City Councilor, ladies and gentlemen, Honorable Juanito Junjun Sakin, a big hand, please.
Thank you kayo, Sir Dewey. Maayong gabi sa tanan. Ora teloya da ibro gitugnaw. So na sa tanan. Bisan to wala ang ato ang mga pillars sa ato ang asenso administration. Dili pundi mamahimong na ay asenso sa aming singing contest kung wala ning mga tawhana mga igsunan. Law katong haligi sa asenso administration, ang presidente sa asenso Pinoy nga maoy nakapahimo nga tsunami victory sa Misamis Occidental, walay lain ang atong the very hard-working governor, Attorney Hindri Sevilla wa Mindanao Quezon, atong hatagan sa atong masipang nga pakpak uban sa ato ang second district representative dariin kanunay nga nagsuporta, kanunay nga naghatag sa iyang gugma sa nagbayan sa Ozamis nga mao si Kong Ando wa Mindanao Quezon, atong hatagan sa masipang pakpak og ang ato ang bag-ong House of Representative nga mao ang milingkod sa unang lingkuranan sa Asenso Pinoy, ang atoang kanhing mayor, si Attorney Hindri Fuentes wa Mindanao Quezon, atong hatagan sa masipang pakpak o ang atoang bag-o nga mayor. Gadiin, nakita na mo sa iyaha ang iyang pagkayano, ang iyang pagkahambol o ang iyahang pagka-intelihente. Isip atoang mayor, ang atoang mayor Quezonan, mao si Kanunay Asenso Attorney Sam Norman Fuentes mga kaigsonan. O ang among inahan sa konsiho si Vice Mayor Simplicia Baby Neri. Atong pakpakan mga kaigsonan. O ang akong kauman sa konsiho in attendance inakaroon diri si Councilor Dinky Suizo, ang atong chairman sa Committee on Tourism. O ang among pinakabata sa konsiho, ang among Iski Federated President, si John Phil Duhay Longshot, mga kaigsonan, atong pakpakan. O ang among mga kauban nga wala diri, apan, bisag wala sila diri, tuwa sila sa lain nga schedule, mga kaigsonan. No, naapoy lain nga schedule, nga among gitapungan, maugali nga naulahimi sa pag-anhin diri, mangayo mininyog dispensa tungod sa higdik na schedule karong adlaw mga kaigsunan. So far, karon pa nahitabo nga noy interlocal and national agencies nga Asenso Ozamis Singing Contest. Nakahibalot ang tanan nga grabe ang atong pagpangandam kini tungod sa pagtabang sa atong city administrator nga bag-ong city administrator si Ma'am Tiswano Quezonan, atong hatagan sa masipang pakpak, o si Sir Jaime Tumada. Dili ka pwede dili manhi kasi Sir Jaime grabe sige panawag konsihal alinay taon mo diri konsihal. Sir Jaime Tumada, ang ato ang bag-ong city tourism officer, atong hatagan sa masipang pakpak uban sa mga kauban nga niya karon diri o sa ato ang mga interlocal and national agencies nga niya karon diri. Salamat sa inyong pagsuporta sa atoang singing contest. Nga diin nasayod mi, nga grabe ang iyong pagpangandam, grabe ang iyong kasibot, grabe ang iyong suporta. So, dili tiaw ang premyo ani. No? Ang first prize ani sir, 25,000. Ang second prize, 15,000. Ang third prize, 10,000. O adunay 5 nga makadawat og tag 5,000. O adunay 5 nga makadawat og tag 2,000. So, dili ta mo uli nga luhaan mga kaigsunan kay grabe ang pagpremyo sa Asenso Administration. So, manghinaot kitang tanan na atong lingaw, atong kabulingon, ilabi na sa tuang mga contestants karong gabi na manghinaot na ma-enjoy tang tanan o gikan sa Asenso Administration, gikan sa kanunay Asenso Administration, ang amoang mainiton nga paggabi-abi, ang amoang mainiton nga pag-welcome kaninyong tanan. Daghang salamat o happy fiesta in advance sa atong mahal nga Birhen sa Kota. Ilabi na ang kaigsunan sa atong mga hurado nga nekaron diri. Sir, ma'am, salamat sa inyong expertise. Dili lalim ang mamahimo kang Osaka Board of Judges. Mo ni ang pinakalaban. Unya kini nga to mga contestants karon, mga hinashasa ni. Mo ni ang pinakamaayo nga mga singer sa ilahang ahensya. So, welcome tanan og maayong gabi.
Asenso Ozamis, Asenso Segundo Distrito, Asenso Misamis Occidental, Asenso Pinoy. Let's give another round of applause to the Councilor Junjun Sakin. Truly welcome tang tanan. Ilabi na ang atong mga contestants. As mentioned earlier, mga kinakusgan. And they must be the most talented employees sa ilahang mga respective departments and agencies. And of course, the competition is gonna be very tough. Ozamis City, are you now ready to see our contestants for this year's Asenso Ozamis Singing Competition 2025? Let's go! I'm sure puksaan ito. Our 15 contenders are now ready for this part. Before they will have their individual performances, they will be having this stage as the A group. Ladies and gentlemen, our 15 contestants for the Asenso Ozamis Singing Competition 2025. This is their production number.
They said unity was their duty. But tonight, duty takes the stage. Allies by day, rivals by spotlight. 16 government officers, one stage, one voice will be crowned champion. This is not just a contest. It's a battle for glory, for honor, for the crown. Asenso Ozamis proudly presents the Asenso Ozamis Singing Contest 2025. Let the battle begin.
Another round of applause. I'm sure, as what I've said earlier, puksaan when we witness them perform individually later on. And tonight, ladies and gentlemen, as I've said, we are about to witness the very best among our employees in the national and local agencies. And to ensure fairness and to guide us through the standards of tonight's performance, it is an honor to introduce the experts and the brilliant minds who will be judging the different performances for tonight. As I said, they are credible individuals who will have the challenging task of choosing our Ascenso Ozamis Singing Champion 2025. The members of the selection committee for this year's Ascenso Ozamis Singing Competition. Judge number 1 graduated Bachelor of Music, major in Music Education at Silliman University, Dumaguete City. A member of the Silliman University Campus Choristers and Ating Paman Incorporated Choral Group. Currently teaching a Teacher 3 at Misamis Occidental National High School Special Program in the Arts in Oroquieta City, handling or teaching vocal music. Ozami City, let's give an Ascenso resounding applause to Judge Nishas D. Chong Jr. The second judge is a graduate of Bachelor of Science in Psychology. He holds a master's degree in Guidance and Counseling and currently pursuing Doctor of Philosophy in Counseling. He is a registered guidance counselor at the Schools Division of Tangub City. Aside from being a school counselor, he is also the former artistic director of La Salle University Singing Society, a member of Philippine Choral Directors Association or PCDA, the music director of the Special Program in the Arts Recital of Tangub City National High School, piano accompanist of Vocal Luminaire Division Choir of DepEd Tangub City Division, the vocal coach of LSU Teatro Gindigan, the music director of Bayan Munti, a musical play based from the songs of Miss Bayang Barrios, a performer of Philippine Education Theater Association or PETA in Quezon City, Manila, sound designer and producer of projects commissioned by Japan Foundation, the Cultural Center of the Philippines, and the National Commission for Culture and the Arts. A cappella open performer and participant trained by the maestro Ryan Cayabyab. Let's give it up for our second judge, Mr. John Lyric D. Poligrates. And to serve as the chair of the committee of the Board of Judges, she is a graduate of Bachelor of Music, major in piano at Silliman University. She is currently working at DepEd Clarin National High School as the head teacher of MAPE Department. Let's put our hands together for Ma'am Maria Riza Gamutin Hain. There we go. Once again, Ozami City, a big round of applause to our judges who I'm sure will have a difficult job of choosing ang pinakamaayo because I'm sure tanan natong mga contestants pinakamaayo na gid kaayo ni sila sa ilang tagsa-tagsa ka mga local and national offices and agencies. And of course, in choosing the very best among the best performers, among the best contestants tonight, they will be given scores based on the following criteria. Voice quality, 40%. Musicality, 25%. Star quality, 20%. Diction, 10%. And listen to this, audience impact, 5%. Therefore, the audience, the crowd, will also be part of that boosting of the performance sa inyuhang pambato, sa inyuhang contestants. Of course, for a total of 100 points or percent. And the following prizes are at stake. Kani gi-mention na ni Konsehal Junjun kaganyan, pero ibalik yun ako para maklaro yun because this is really a battle of the very best. And the Ascenso administration has prepared the very best set of prizes. First prize winner will bring home 25,000 pesos. Second place, 15,000 pesos. Third prize, 10,000 pesos. The consolation prize for those who will not make it to the top 5, because ladies and gentlemen, our competition will come in 2 rounds. The preliminary round, and of course we'll be witnessing each of the 15 singers or contestants deliver or render their piece. And after that, from 15, only 5 will advance to the final round. I'm just reminded, we're siya mismo sa amin sa horror top 15, and of course, to the final 5. And those who will not make it to the top 5 will receive 2,000 pesos each. And the consolation prize for those who will make it to the top 5, but not on the top 3, will have 5,000 pesos each. So somehow, ang 4th o ang 5th placers will have 5,000 pesos. There we go. So those are the prizes at stake for tonight, ladies and gentlemen. Andam na po nga makita ang inyong mga pambato! As I've said, your voice can also be heard to boost the performance and also the score sa inyong mga pinalangga ng mga contestants representing the different agencies and departments, mapa-lokal o mapa-national. But right before we celebrate the gift of talent sa ato mga contestants, we celebrate of course the love and support sa ato ang mga Ascenso leaders. Because at this time, on behalf of our very good mayor, Attorney Sam Norman G. Fuentes, we will hear the equally inspiring message coming from our city administrator, Azami City. Let's give it up for Miss Rothesa Grace Antipuesto Uwano. A big round of applause.
Maayong gabi kaninyong tanan. Maayong gabi kaninyong tanan. So first of all, we would like to recognize and acknowledge, even though they can't be with us today, our father of the province of Misamis Occidental, Governor Henry S. Wamanal, Ascenso Pinoy Party List Representative Congressman Henry Indy F. Wamanal Jr., and our 2nd District Representative, Congressman Sancho Fernando Ando F. Wamanal, as well as our city councilors who are with us today, and the judges, and the contestants, and of course, to the different national agencies and local agencies who are with us today. Maayong gabi sa tanan. Allow me to read and convey to you the message from our City Mayor, Honorable Sam Norman Fuentes. Tonight, as we gather in joy and celebration, I am filled with deep gratitude and pride, not just as your mayor, but as a fellow Ozamisnon who stands witness to how far we've come and how far we can still go. This evening's Ascenso Ozamis singing competition is more than just a contest of voices. It is a beautiful reminder of our spirit as a people, resilient, talented, faithful, and united. 77 years ago, our city was born out of a vision of growth, of identity, of hope. And through the years, we have continued to rise, not just in progress, but in culture, in creativity, and in community. We also celebrate tonight under the loving gaze of our patroness, Nuestra Señora de la Concepción y del Triunfo de la Cruz de Mitangi, our guiding light, our source of strength. This feast reminds us that every triumph we achieve is not only because of our efforts, but because of our faith. To all the performers, know that every note you sing carries within the dreams of this city. You are not just showcasing your talent, you are inspiring others showing us that with courage, passion, and heart, we can all rise. Let us continue to believe in the greatness of our people. Let us continue to dream boldly, sing loudly, and live meaningfully. Padayon sa pag-awit, padayon sa pagtuo, kanunay sa pag-asenso. Viva Ozamis, viva Nuestra Señora, ug daghang salamat ug maayong gabi.
That was our city administrator, Miss Rodessa Grace Umano, delivering to us the message gikan mismo sa atong pinalangga nga mayor, Honorable Attorney Sam Norman Fuentes, with the love to every Ozamistan. Ozami City, the moment is finally here. The stage is now set. The lights are shining bright, and our contestants are now more than ready to showcase their resilience through their voices. They are not just singers or contestants. They represent the soul and the heart of public service dinhi sa syudad sa Ozamis. And of course sila ang atong mga kauban, atong partner sa pag-alagad sa katawan o pag-asenso sa syudad sa Ozamis, sa Segundo Distrito o sa probinsya sa Misamis Occidental. And tonight, they will show not only commitment, passion, the love for the things they do, but of course, their passion for singing. One more time, Ozami City, are you now ready? Our judges are ready, everyone's prepared, and everyone's set. I say, let the battle begin! The competition opens with a contestant representing the very heart of our communities, the voices that connect us all from our respective barangays to this very stage. From the first cluster of the Association of Barangay Captains or Liga ng mga Barangay, contestant number 1, Honorable Romeo Pausa.